Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Summer is officially here. The pools are open, and what's better than having wonderful weather, right? I am super excited because today I'm going to be showing you guys a raspberry cheesecake cookie recipe. I've made this on my channel way back when I first started, and then we're gonna transform it into these ice cream sandwiches, perfect for the hot weather. The weather here in Illinois has been somewhat rainy. It's been raining for about the past 9 days or so, and the forecast is still showing rain for the next few days, so I'm a little bit rained out. So anyways, for this raspberry cheesecake cookie recipe, you will be needing 2 boxes of raspberry muffin mix, 3/4 cup of flour, half a cup of brown sugar, 4 ounces or half a block of cream cheese, a cup of shortening, 2 eggs, and 1 1/2 cups of white chocolate chips. So in a medium bowl, you want to start by mixing together your brown sugar, your shortening, and your cream cheese. Beat those together until they are well combined. So now we're going to add in our eggs, and we're going to mix in between each addition. You guys didn't see any egg falling into the bowl. No, you didn't. Next, you want to add in your flour and your 2 boxes of raspberry muffin mix. Now you're going to switch from your mixer to your spatula, and we want to just gently fold it in until the ingredients are well combined. Last but not least, we're going to mix in our white chocolate chips. Once again, folding it using a spatula. And your cookie dough should look something like this. Right when you start mixing in your raspberry muffin mix, all of that raspberry smell starts to fill your kitchen, and it smells good. Let me know if you guys want me to make a recipe in which you could just eat the dough by itself, because if this didn't have any eggs in it, man oh man, would I be going ham. Now that our dough is ready, we're going to place it onto our cookie sheet. You want to make sure you give a few inches of space in between each cookie so that they can have room to spread out as they bake in the oven. And these are going to bake for about 15 minutes. One tip when making these cookies is to make sure you get a couple tablespoons of the dough. You want to then roll it into a ball and press down to make it as flat as possible so that these make a nice circular shape for our ice cream sandwiches. Now that our cookies are done and have cooled off for a good 30 minutes, now it is time to make our ice cream sandwiches. So I purchased these little individual sized cups of vanilla ice cream. I found these at my local market, but I know most supermarkets carry these sizes, and I feel like it's perfect for one ice cream sandwich. So all you want to do is scoop out your ice cream, place it onto your cookie, place your top cookie on top to complete your sandwich, and you are done. If you're not a big fan of ice cream like I am, you can just simply enjoy the cookies as they are. But I will admit, even though I'm not the biggest fan of ice cream, I do like certain varieties of ice cream, such as ice cream cookie sandwiches, and I do like those little chocolate sandwich cookies as well. Oh, and let's not forget the strawberry shortcake bars. Yeah, those are good. Anyways, thank you for joining me once again on my channel. I hope that you guys definitely give this recipe a try. It is a great cookie recipe and a great summertime treat. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant. If you enjoyed today's video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more great baking videos that are coming to you soon. I hope that you guys enjoy your summer, get out in the pool, as long as it's not raining. Bye!